Great news to all poultry farmers in Kenya. At Fuga EML Eldoret, we stock and supply high-quality incubators, different capacities, reasonable rates. We stock quality incubator spares. Affordable chicken drinkers. Great news for poultry farmers in Kenya. This machine makes plucking of feathers very easy. Just drop the chicken in and in a few seconds, it's all clear. We have quality chicken carrier crates. In short, for all high quality poultry products, the answer is just one. Fuga EML Eldoret. Contact us today.